Very good morning, children. Children, today we'll start with the revision of all the lessons that are there for the unit test. Okay, children? Let us start with all our objectives first. Lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. Let us first see about fill in the blanks. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called as dash. Your answer is planets. Next one, the earth gets its light from the dash. Yes, your answer is obviously sun. Third one, all the planets are known as dash. The answer is heavenly bodies. Next, dash have their own light. The answer is stars. The next one, the sun appears dash and dash during the day. And the answer is bright and clear. Next one, who am I? You can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Children, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is moon, right? We can see moon from our earth, right? But the part that is lighted changes every day, and so there is a phenomenon called as new moon and full moon day, right? Next, I have my own light, and it is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Children, what is that has their own light and it gives light to all the planets? Yes. The answer is obviously sun. I turn around myself, around a planet, and also around a star. The answer is satellite. Next one, I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. The answer is earth. Next one, no other planet has a living world like mine. Children, of all the planets in the solar system, there is only one planet that has a living world, and that planet is our earth. Okay, so our answer is earth. The next, I am the nearest star to the earth. The answer is moon. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. The path of the planet is known as its dash. The answer is orbit. We see moon at dash. The answer is night. Dash is known as the dwarf planet. Children, the word dwarf means short. Okay, so dash is known as the short planet or dwarf planet, and your answer is Pluto. Dash was the first Indian astronaut to go into the space. Okay, the answer is Rakesh Sharma. Dash and dash are astronauts of Indian origin. The answer is Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla. Okay, next, match the columns. Sun is a star. Pluto is dwarf planet. Moon, the answer is satellite of the earth. Then earth, planet with life on it. Asteroids, between Mars and Jupiter. And Mercury, nearest to the sun. Next, we'll see about lesson number 2, motions of the earth. Fill in the blanks. the motion of the earth around itself is called as dash. And the answer is rotation. Next, the motion of the earth around the sun is called as dash. And the answer is revolution. Children, don't get confused among these two. The motion of the earth around itself is called as a rotation, whereas the motion of our earth around the sun is called as revolution. Okay, children? Next, the rotation of our earth gives rise to dash, day and night. The dash passes through the center of the earth. The answer is axis. The axis of the earth is dash. The answer is inclined. As the earth dash, the different parts of the earth came into light. Yes, as the earth rotates. Okay. Next, match the columns. Waxing moon, Shukla Paksha. Okay. Waxing moon is called as Shukla Paksha. Equator. Equator is the one that divides our earth into half. Okay. Next, waning moon. Waning moon is called as Krishna Paksha. Okay. Next, phases of the moon. Phases of the moon are changing shapes of the moon. Okay. Right from the waxing moon to waning moon. That is from new moon day to full moon day and again to the new moon day. So this cycle goes on and on. Okay. These are called as the phases of the moon. That is the changing shapes of the moon. Next is Ritu Chakra. Ritu Chakra means Ritu means the seasons and Chakra means cycle or wheel. So Ritu Chakra means the cycle of 6 seasons. Next, the period of time that our earth takes to complete one rotation is called as a dash. We call it as a day. Okay. A day has 2 parts. What are the parts? Sunrise and sunset. That is day and night. There are dash days and dash hours in 1 year. There are 365 days and 8,760 hours in 1 year. Every 4th year in the Gregorian calendar is known as a dash year. Children, you all might have seen that in every 4 years, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28 days, right? So what that year is called as? Yes, leap year. Okay. So here also the answer is leap year. On dash night, we cannot see the moon. Which night? New moon night. Right. Next. Give 2 examples of each. Weather related events. Cyclones and storms. Sources of water. Rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay, children? Children, you have to practice the diagram of the water cycle given in the box. Okay, it can come in exam, so practice it thoroughly. Next, fill in the blanks. The envelope of air around our earth is called as dash. The answer is atmosphere. Next, the aeroplanes fly in the higher parts of dash. Again, the answer is atmosphere. Next one, the stratosphere contains a layer of gas called as dash. The answer is ozone. Dash and dash are found in the regions of hot climate. Lions and elephants. Zebras are found in dash. The answer is America. Next we come to chapter number 4, that is environmental balance. The variety we see in all the living things of a particular area is called as dash. It's called as biodiversity. Okay, bio means what is occurring naturally or biological, and the word diversity means variety. Okay, so the variety we see in all the living things in a particular area is called as biodiversity. The surroundings and the conditions that affect the life of organisms are together called as dash, and your answer is environment. Dash studies the interaction between living and non-living things. A science called as environmental science studies interaction between the living and non-living things. Okay, one living thing can be a part of number of dash. Here you all will write the answer as chains. Okay, one living thing can be a part of number of chains. Next, true or false? Microorganisms form a part of environment. Yes, the answer is true. All the living things, including plants, animals and microorganisms, they are a part of environment, and together it is called as biosphere. Okay, next one. It is necessary to maintain the biodiversity. Yes, the answer is true, because if the biodiversity is not maintained, then there will be disbalance in the environment, and plants, animals and all the living things will not be able to survive. Okay, so there is a necessity to maintain the biodiversity. Next, a grasshopper eats birds. The answer is false. A grasshopper is a herbivore, and children, as I had explained earlier, herbivores are that animals or insects which feed on plants. Okay, so a grasshopper eats grass and not birds. Okay, so your answer is false. Next, dash are the main support of every food chain. Your answer is plants, since plants are the producers. What do you mean by the word producer? Producers are that living things which make their own food. Okay, and plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, so they are called as the producers, and they are the main support of every food chain. Next one, dash in the soil help in the process of decomposition. The answer is microbes, that is microorganisms in the soil help the process in decomposition. Okay, next one, living things get a continuous supply of water because of dash. Your answer is water cycle. Okay, water cycle is the most important of all the cycles present in the nature, and so all the living things get a continuous supply of water from this water cycle. Next we'll see about chapter number 5, objectives, that is family values. Honesty is our dash. The answer is strength. Okay, we should always be honest. Next one, everyone needs dash in public life. The answer is cooperation. Okay, dash has a special significance in our country. The answer is tolerance. Next, by developing a sense of equality, everyone gets to dash, learn and make progress. Boys and girls or men and women are equal as dash. Okay, and the answer is human beings. Next, again fill in the blanks. Men and women must get equal dash rights. Respecting opinions which are different from others and from ours is called as dash. The answer is tolerance. Sometimes there are dash even among friends. The answer is disagreements, okay, or disputes among the friends. Dash can increase efficiency in the public life. Your answer is honesty. It is necessary to be dash and dash in our work. The answer is honest and sincere. Next, chapter number 6. Rules are for everyone. Our society works according to certain dash. The answer is rules. Next, the Constitution of Independent India abolished dash. The answer is untouchability. Next one, wrong customs and traditions cause the dash of some sections of society. The answer is neglect. Next one, after the year dash, the voting age was lowered to 18 years. And the answer is 1988. Next one, dash is the basis of the rules. The answer is equality. Nature's laws are dash and dash. The answer is constant and fixed. Next, rules have to be made to ensure that no dash is done. The answer is injustice. Dash and dash are the two main obstacles in our society. The answer is poverty and lack of education. Next, lesson number 7. Fill in the blanks. Turning a blind eye towards the problems make them dash. The answer is worse. Okay. It is important to be able to identify the dash. The answer is issues. Dash has lush green surroundings now. The answer is Hure Bazaar. Next, issues in civic life can be solved through everyone's dash and dash. The answer is efforts and cooperation. The well-being of a village is affected by dash. The answer is constant disputes. Peaceful discussions increases dash in the village. Harmony in the village. In Khudawadi, garbage was used to make dash using dash. Manure using vermiculture. Okay, children? And now, lesson number 3. The earth and its living world. Fill in the blanks. Dash, dash and dash constitute envelopes of the earth. The answer is atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Children, what do you all understand by the word atmosphere? I had explained this earlier, right? The atmosphere means related to air. Okay. Next, hydrosphere. The word hydro means water. Okay. So hydrosphere is related to water. And lithosphere. The word litho means land. So it is related to land. About 1/3 of the surface of the earth consists of dash. The answer is land. Dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. The answer is 2/3. Dash, dash, and dash join each other to form rivers, rills, brooks, and streams. Okay, and the next, rivers that cascade down a sudden drop gives rise to dash. The answer is waterfall. Match the columns. Lions and elephants, regions of hot climate. Polar bear, snowbound regions. Zebras are found in America, and kangaroos in Australia. And then, in the following sentences, which words refer to landforms? Anil lives at the foot of a hill. Here the word is hillock or hill. Ria lives in the plateau region. The answer is plateau. Okay, children, with this we have finished the revision of objectives of all the lessons which are there in the unit test. Thank you.